my 5th grade math class. So, so what do we have up here on the projector right now?
Pizza.
A little pizza, right? Who here likes pizza? So I don't even ask who does not like pizza. What I'm going to offer to everyone this year is it's an incentive earn program. So, at the end of your unit, you have the opportunity to earn, for the first one, is a pizza party. So now you might ask yourself, Mr. Brenno, how can we earn this pizza party? I'm going to show you. First, we're going to review the place value chart. So from your previous grades, 3rd and 4th grade, you're introduced to this place value chart. So this may look familiar. And the center is where you're going to have your decimal point. This is your first decimal place. Now you would have learned up to right around here. So, can someone tell me what the first spot is right here?
1.
What is this place value?
Units. 1.
Single.
The ones. That's correct. All right. Mine, what would the second place value? After the ones.
2. 6.
Oh, no, you want to try again?
10.
The 10 spot, yes. Kyle, what's the next one?
Hundreds.
The hundreds. All right, Liz, the next one?
1,000.
The thousands. Okay. No,
10,000.
and the 10,000s. All right. Now we don't know yet what comes after the 10,000s, and we don't know what comes before the period. But that's what we're going to start talking about in a little while too. So now back to that pizza party. How can we earn that pizza party? What you will be offered is a chance to get points. How do you get the points? You can get first a blue chip. Blue chip's good. Blue chip means positive. So, to get a blue chip, you have to do everything you're supposed to do. What should a good student do in class? Amanda,
Follow the rules.
follow the rules. Follow the rules will get you a blue chip. And if you have a question, what should you do? That's the answer. You raise the hand. Okay. Homework. If you hand homework in time. If you participate in class, that gives you a blue chip. The red chip, it's a bad chip. How do you get a bad chip? Nate,
Don't do what you're supposed to.
don't do what you're supposed to do.
If I punch mine in the face.
I'll give you a red chip and a lot more than that.
Talking out of turn.
Talking out of turn. If you have a question, you just speak it out loud. If someone else is answering a question or talking out loud, should you be talking?
No.
That'll get you a red chip. Now we'll get to the value of these. So blue chip, good or bad?
Good.
Good. Red?
Bad.
Bad. Larry, one thing to get a blue chip, what do you have to do?
Do your homework.
Do your homework. Guy, blue chip, one thing you have to do.
Follow the rules.
Follow the rules. And how can we get a red chip, Noah?
Punching people.
Aside for budget day, what's another one?
Not handing in things on time.
Not handing things on time. Okay, so now we'll get to the value in a little bit. But on the value chart, what we're going to start talking about is the movement of it. Where would you think the positive would go if you get a good blue chip? Would it go to the right or would it go to the left?
Left.
What? That way.
No,
If
right.
you want to be good, so you're going to want to go positive. Which side of the decimal point is positive numbers?
Left.
The left.
It'd be over to the left, that's correct. So red would go to the right. All right? So to get points, the blue chip, that'll be worth 10. And we're going to get into what multiplication is, but it will multiply your value by 10. So your class will start with 1. And for every blue chip you get, you'll move over the decimal place 1 to the left. Every red, you go 1 to the right. And that's the division, which is kind of, if you look at it, you remember subtraction, addition. Addition's like multiplication. Division's like subtraction. When you add something to something, you get more. So when you subtract, what happens?
Less.
It becomes less. So when you multiply, you get
More.
more. When you divide, you get
Less.
less. So the way the lesson's gonna be set up from here is you're gonna learn what happens with the decimal point when we divide by 10, when we divide by 100, when we multiply by 10, when we multiply by 100. Score you need to get to is 1 million. At the end of every week, we will count how many chips there are, red and blue out of the jug. And if there's more blue, we'll move the decimal point place to the right. If there's more red, we'll move to the left. And then at the end of the unit, we'll tally up the total score and you'll see where your score is. And if you're at the million or over, you win the pizza party.
Oh, wait, this
And
is
then-
as a class?
As a class, not just each individual person, but just a class. Every class is gonna have this opportunity. After this first unit, it's gonna carry on, but we're gonna do it for something a little bit different. It could be for bonus points, it could be for no homework on a Friday. But after this one, every class is gonna have their score posted. So the class that does get to 1 million is the one that will receive that prize. So what we're gonna do now is you're gonna take your books out, we're gonna start up on multiplication of 10 and the division of 10. Okay? That's it.